Hi friends, this is Meher, clinical dietitian at Mumbai. Today, I'd like to share a few tips on diet for healthy eyes and vision. Through scientific research, it's been indicated that many of us land up with vision correcting needs too early in life. So, through corrective diet measures and care, we can prevent this situation. As we all may know, vitamin A is beneficial for vision. However, there are a few other vitamins, minerals, and nutrients which cohesively work towards keeping our eyes healthy, and they are as follows: lutein, zeaxanthin, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega 3, and vitamin A, as we all know. Now, let me share the key food group sources and daily recommended allowances for these core nutrients. First is lutein, 10 milligrams per day, found in dark green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale. Second is zeaxanthin, which is to be supplemented in the amounts of 2 mg per day, found in dark green leafy vegetables again and broccoli. Third is omega 3 fatty acids, can be taken up to 1000 milligrams per day, found in flax seeds and chia seeds. Fourth is vitamin C, can be taken up to 500 milligrams per day, found in fresh citrus fruits, and of course not to forget our Indian gooseberry amla, which is very rich in vitamin C. Fifth is vitamin E, to be taken in the amounts of 400 international units per day, found in nuts. Sixth is zinc, to be taken up to 25 milligrams per day, found in til, that is sesame. Sesame seeds is oil seeds. Seventh is vitamin A, to be taken in the amount 700 to 900 milligrams per day, found in spinach and carrots. So friends, vitamin A is an antioxidant. It protects our cells and DNA from damaging free radicals. It is also anti-infective in nature, and it lowers the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts in the case of eyes. Its deficiency may cause dry eyes, which is also called as xerophthalmia, or night blindness. Preformed vitamin A exists in animal foods like liver, salmon, and egg yolks, while provitamin A carotenoids are found in plant foods including sweet potatoes, spinach, carrots, and so on. Friends, these are the vitamin C rich foods, as you can see, and the amount of vitamin C present in each has been stated per 100 grams of food weight. These are the images of vitamin E rich foods, and a handful of any one of these per day should be good. These are the images of zinc rich foods, and kindly note that sesame seeds have the highest content of zinc. Friends, it's always better to opt for vegan sources of omega 3 fatty acids. As you can see, flax seeds here are the highest amount of omega 3 fatty acids, which is 4.6 grams per 20 grams. So, if you want to incorporate these essential core nutrients good for eyes in your daily diets, please see to it that you can have recipes such as garden cocktail shown here, papaya and turmeric smoothie, spinach and avocado smoothie. These are the general guidelines which we can follow, rubbing hands with each other to create warmth and patting them on our eyes. constant blinking, looking somewhere far away after looking at closed screens for too long, splashing water gently, or looking at green trees and grass while walking along. Not to forget Anulom Vilom, that's alternate nostril breathing or breath work taught by Art of Living, with plenty of water, sound sleep, and meditation. All of these have a very good impact for keeping healthy eyes. Friends, why consult a dietitian? Is there a difference between a dietitian and nutritionist? Ever wondered? A dietitian is required to have a bachelor's degree in sciences along with a post graduation in dietetics or master's in dietetics as a specialization, wherein there is a period of 6 months of rigorous hospital internship included to give clinical diets for various medical conditions, and she is required to be a part of the Indian Dietetic Association. So, she works as an important part of the healthcare team in a medical setup. Further, dietitians fundamentally have everything to do with providing individualized diet plans related to any medical or chronic clinical conditions like diabetes mellitus, blood pressure, cardiac ailments, hepatic disease like hepatic coma or cirrhosis of liver, various renal disorders, abnormal blood lipid profiles, food allergies, arthritis, pulmonary disorders, expecting mothers or lactating mothers, obesity, cancer patients, underweight individuals, and athletes who want to gain muscle weight and endurance, and so on. A dietitian evaluates and stipulates modified diet plan based on the age, gender, the physical activity, lifestyle, and the pathological parameters available to provide the right intake of quality, quantity, and frequency of various food groups for a healthy, energetic life. That's it from me for now. You may read up more about my work on my website www.eatsmartdiet.com. Thank you.